Welcome back to the DerivNavigator Academy. In this video, we'll be continuing with introduction to accumulators, okay? So if you have not watched the previous video, the part 1, please make sure you go and watch it, okay? It is in the channel, and you can also find it in our description where I've put the link there, and you can also click the top right corner of your screen to watch it, okay? Now in this video, we'll be speaking about manual profit taking and automatic profit taking, or basically how to take your profits in accumulators manually or automatically, okay? Now, manual profit taking in accumulators. You can close an accumulator option at any point after the first tick, okay? So immediately after the first tick, you can close your accumulator option by clicking the sell button. As you can see, here we have the sell button, okay? This action credits your stake and profits to your account. So immediately you press sell, your profits will be deposited into your account, or your profits will reflect on your balance, okay? And will also eliminate any further exposure to the market, okay? So once you press sell, you are out of the market and you will not be exposed to any condition in the market, all right? However, if the upper or lower barrier is breached, before you close the trade, the option will expire to 0. Okay, so in accumulators, the main thing that you should put in your mind, ensure the barrier is not breached. If the barrier is breached, you are done. That's a loss. You get out of the market having lost your stake and having gained nothing. So ensure the barrier is not breached before you close your trade. Okay, now as you can see here, we have an example. As you can see, you have the barrier here plus 0.448 and minus 0.448, and as you can see, this is where the trader closed the accumulator trade, all right? And as you can see, they made a nice profits of $34.01 from a stake of $100. So once you see that you want to close it at this particular point, just rush to this interface and press sell, and you immediately close your trade, okay? Now, as you can see here, you have an explanation. In this case, if you press sell, you receive a 134.01 in your account, and your return stake as your return stake, and $34.01 is profit, as I've explained. Also, keep in mind the slippage risk. Listen carefully. The slippage risk, which refers to the possibility that the price might slightly change in either direction by the time your trade closes. Okay, so when you're closing your trade, be fast, okay? Don't delay, because the price might change because of the slippage risk, okay? So be careful when you are doing this, when you are closing your profits manually, or when you're taking your profits manually, okay? So that is everything concerning manual profit taking in accumulators. And once again, ensure the barrier is not breached at the time you're closing your trade, because you will get out of the market with nothing, okay? And remember, in trading, if there is something you want to reduce as much as possible, is the risk that you are facing, okay? We want to minimize the losses, and we want to maximize the profits, and we also want to minimize the risks, okay? That is why you have all these strategies that you apply. These strategies are not 100% guaranteed. No, that's a lie. These strategies are aimed at reducing the level of risk so that you can get some profits. And remember, any profit is good profit, okay? Never underestimate, even a $1 profit is better. A $1 profit is better than a $12,000 loss, okay? So in every day in trading, ensure you have ended the day with a profit, and never underestimate any profit, okay? Okay, let us continue. Automatic profit taking. Besides manually closing a trade or manually closing a position to take profits, you can use the take profit measure, okay? This allows you to set a level to close a trade automatically. For instance, you might set a $50 as your take profit level, okay? As you can see, the $50 here has been set. This is the take profit, okay? And the trade will automatically close when the option reaches this level. So immediately your profit reaches $50 or $50, your trade will be automatically closed, crediting your account with the gains and stake, okay? As you can see on the right here, first of all, you can come and set your growth rate depending on your risk. What can I say this? Your risk, your risk level, okay? Or your risk level tolerance. So because 5% growth rate has a higher risk, than a 4%, and a 4% growth rate has a higher risk than a 3% growth rate, and a 3% growth rate has a higher risk than a 2% growth rate, and going on. So after you set your growth rate, and you set your stake, and you set your take profit, now you are ready to place your trade, okay? Now, you can't take the take profit until the trade starts. However, you can still sell the trade before it hits that level. For example, if the trade reaches a $25 profit, okay, so this is what I wanted to explain, guys. It is not a must you wait for the take profit to be hit. No. If, let's say you had set your take profit at $50, and once the market reaches a profit of $25, you experience that the market is misbehaving, or it seems that it wants to breach the barriers. You can close that market at that particular level. So it is not a must wait for the $50 take profit, okay? The $50 take profit is basically allowing the market to close itself automatically. But you can still control it manually if you see that the market is not behaving correctly, or it wants to breach the barriers, okay? So that is basically what it is being explained. So in manual profit taking, you sell your trade at your own convenience, okay, or depending on what you decide. But in automatic profit taking, you set a take profit where the market will close automatically once that level of the take profit is reached. So if you set $50, once the market detects, or once the market detects you have reached a profit of $50, your trade will be closed automatically, and your stake and profit will be credited to your account. But in manual, you monitor the market and close it at your own convenience. And that is basically how you take your profits in accumulators. Once again, guys, be careful and ensure the barrier is not breached. That is all for this video. In the next video, we'll be speaking about expiration of an option, and many more. So guys, please make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell, because you don't want to miss out. The videos that are coming out are amazing, and they'll push you to become a better trader. And as the motto of this YouTube channel goes, let us grow together. So guys, stay tuned, practice all I've taught, ask questions in the comment section, and I'll do my best to give you an answer that will push you to become a better trader. Thank you guys for watching this video once again, and good luck.